a no-repeat workout designed to activate your abdominal muscles. Across the body. Stand tall against the wall. Extend your arms sideways onto the wall. Your heels, glute, and arms should be in contact with the wall. Without moving your glutes and heels, twist your torso and bring your left palm to your right palm. Mirror the movement. Side bends. Stand tall with your stance at hip width apart. Let your hands rest on your thighs. From there, lift your right arm across your head and bend to the left side. Mirror the movement on the other side. Thoracic rotations. Stand with your back facing the wall. Put your hands next to your body. Rotate your torso to the left and put your hands on the wall. Gently push your body away and rotate your torso to the other side. Alternate between sides. Sideways reach. Stand a bit wider against the wall. Extend your arms sideways onto the wall. Your heels, glute, and arms should be in contact with the wall. Gently bend your body sideways while also reaching sideways with one of your arms. Wall-supported knee raise. Lean your upper back on the wall. Put your feet forward and keep them together. Make sure your arms and hands are also on the wall for additional support. From there, lift your left knee up. Alternate between knees. Tabletop oblique twist. Lay flat on your back. Put your knees at 90 degrees angle on the wall. Activate your abdominals and extend your hands forward. Crunch to one side, crunch to the other side. Standing sideways crunch, right. Stand sideways of the wall. Put your right hand on the wall and left hand behind your head. Place your left foot forward and stand on your toes with your right foot. From there, bring your left elbow towards your right knee. Standing sideways crunch, left. Stand sideways of the wall. Put your left hand on the wall and right hand behind your head. Place your right foot forward and stand on your toes with your left foot. From there, bring your right elbow towards your left knee. Heel taps. Sit in front of the wall with your legs extended. Make sure your upper back is against the wall. Put your hands behind your head, lift your left leg up, and tap your left heel with your right hand. Alternate between the legs and arms. Inverted side steps. Start the movement on all fours. Put your feet on the wall and extend your legs. From this position, step sideways with your left foot. Bring it back to your right foot and step sideways with it as well. Wall-supported windshield wipers. Lay on your back. Bring your legs and feet together up on the wall. Extend your arms to the side. From here, bring your legs towards the floor to your left side. Bring them up. Do the same thing on your right side. Seated thoracic rotations. Sit down and put your toes on the wall. Keep your knees slightly bent and lean a bit backwards. Put your hands together in front of you. From here, twist your arm and body to one side and touch the floor behind you. Alternate between sides. Wall-supported reverse crunch. Lay on the floor with your feet together on the wall. Bend your knees at a 90-degree angle and bring them together. From here, lift your knees towards your chest and let your lower back move off the floor as well. Wall-supported alternating crunches. Lay on the floor with your feet on the wall. Keep your knees bent at a 90-degree angle. Put your hands behind your head. Crunch up and sideways while reaching your left hand towards your right knee. Do both sides. Straddle wall crunch. Lay down with your legs extended up the wall. Keep your glutes in contact with the wall. Extend your arms behind your head, straddle your legs, and touch the wall between your legs with your hands. Slowly go down. Glute bridge with knee tucks. Lay on your back with your legs up on the wall. Lift your hips up. While keeping your hips in the air, tuck your left knee towards your chest. Bring it back and tuck your right knee towards your chest. Wall-supported kickboxing. Alternating pike leg lift. Sit tall against the wall. Straddle your legs. Put your hands on the floor. While keeping your legs extended, lift your left leg up and bring it towards your right foot. Mirror the movement on the other side. Standing cat and cow. Stand with your back facing the wall. Slightly bend the knees and keep your glutes in contact with the wall. Put your hands onto your knees. Arch your spine and gently tilt your neck backwards. Bend your spine and neck and slowly raise up. Seated side bends. Sit tall to the wall. Put your back against the wall. Straddle your legs. Bend your body to your left side while crossing your right arm over your head, reaching towards your toes. Mirror the movement on the other side.